On November 12, 2001, American Airlines Flight 587, an Airbus A300 flying from John F. Kennedy International Airport in New York to Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic, crashed into the Bell Harbor neighborhood of Queens, New York, just minutes after takeoff, killing all 260 people on board and 5 people on the ground, making it one of the deadliest aviation accidents in U.S. history. The aircraft initially climbed normally after takeoff, but as it passed through turbulent air caused by the wake of a preceding Japan Airlines 747, the first officer began making aggressive rudder inputs to stabilize the plane. These repeated, rapid movements of the rudder caused structural failure in the vertical stabilizer, the large tail fin that helps control the aircraft's yaw, which then separated from the fuselage. Without the vertical stabilizer, the airplane became uncontrollable, rolled violently, and ultimately spiraled into the residential neighborhood at high speed. Investigators from the National Transportation Safety Board determined that the crash was caused by a combination of pilot error and aircraft design sensitivity. The A300's rudder system was extremely responsive, and repeated full rudder inputs at high speed could overstress the vertical stabilizer, leading to its catastrophic failure. The accident prompted a detailed review of pilot training for rudder use, particularly in response to wake turbulence, and led Airbus and other manufacturers to examine the limits of rudder and tail design in large commercial aircraft. In the aftermath, the NTSB's investigation, which included extensive analysis of flight data recorders, aerodynamic testing, and structural examination of the wreckage, highlighted the need for revised procedures, enhanced crew resource management, and awareness of aircraft-specific handling characteristics. The crash had a profound impact on the Queens community, devastating families, and prompting emergency response improvements for densely populated urban areas. Airlines worldwide updated pilot manuals, implemented stricter training on rudder usage, and emphasized understanding the effects of wake turbulence from larger aircraft. Despite the tragedy, lessons learned from Flight 587 significantly improved aviation safety by addressing human factors, mechanical vulnerabilities, and the interaction between aircraft design and pilot response under stress. Today, American Airlines Flight 587 is remembered not only as a terrible loss of life, but also as a pivotal event that led to lasting changes in training, aircraft operation standards, and the understanding of how high-speed aerodynamic forces can interact with pilot inputs to create catastrophic outcomes. The crash remains a somber reminder of how the combination of mechanical sensitivity and human action can have unintended and deadly consequences, reinforcing the importance of meticulous design, training, and operational awareness in commercial aviation.